Hi guys, this is Canon PIXMA G5070 ink tank printer. This is color printer with duplex printing option. It prints on both sides, that means it's duplex. Printing so that you can print till edges of all papers. It is a single function printer, only prints. There is no scanning, no Xerox, no fax. Coming to networking part, we have Wi-Fi direct option, and then there is a USB cable which can be connected from the back side of the printer to laptop or a desktop. Then we have a Canon Print app or Canon selfie app which can be installed on a mobile and print can be taken directly. It comes with a 2-line LCD display unit with a power button and a Wi-Fi direct which can be used from mobile. Then there is settings option to set up your Wi-Fi or a Wi-Fi direct passwords. There is a back button, then there is a to and fro button for the selections, and if you select anything then you have to click OK. Then you have cancellation or sudden hazard stop button, so that if you have given any print suddenly, if you want to stop it, you can stop it directly from here. You don't have to give any command from mobile or system. And this is the ray tray which you can pull out and papers can be placed on this. This is the counter which sees whether paper is loaded or not. And here you have the adjustment. Before putting any paper, you have to first pull them out, keep this paper, then adjust it according to your paper size. By this it understands if it is A4 or what kind of paper it is, and it can hold up to 100 pages here. And here is a sensor which has a counter and it understands whether paper is pulled or not. And this is about ray tray. Coming to paper type, we can take up to 64 GSM to 105 GSM. It can be loaded in both cassettes, that is front cassette and ray tray. It is compatible with Windows 7 to 10 and any Android mobile, and any Mac OS 10.5 to 10.14 and iPhone. For black and white pages it costs about 10 paisa approximately, and for color printing it costs about 50 paisa approximately. So this is excluding the paper cost, this is only printing cost. Configuration of Canon GI70, and these cyan, magenta and yellow costs about 1600 approx, and the black color costs about 600 approx. So overall, to refill all these, it will cost around 2400 approximately. And black gives you around 7000 pages print, and all colors give you around 6000 color print. So overall it comes around 15,000 prints for this whole fill up. Open the tray.
And this?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. Very good.
This?
Yes. During lockdown, this has come handy. We have printed these alphabets and numbers and shapes for our kid. These are the blank ones which we have taken print, and these have come like within 3 seconds after giving the print. So I am just showing you for some sample sake. So just have a look on those. And these are color printed. So when you are printing in color mode, select ink saving mode and a draft mode, so that you save on ink and your purpose is delivered. And these are some few more, and these are already used.